Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll explain the top 5 things you should to do after install the Kali Linux. So let's start, guys. So first of all, we need to install the VM tool. If you are running Kali Linux in virtual machine VMware, so we need to install VM tool. So this is the step. First of all, open the VMware tool and extract the folder. Simply I'll show in simple way, not in CLI mode. I'll use both of them, CLI as well as GUI mode. So simply extract the folder on desktop. So here's the folder. So now open the folder and right click and click on open terminal. This is now type the command here, guys. Type the command, this one, and then simply hit the enter. No need to change anywhere else, simply hit enter. If we ask any directory or any yes option, simply hit enter and your VM tool is installed successfully in your virtual machine. Now second thing is repo file. So first of all, see the repo file in source list. I already add the repo file, repo path in Kali Linux. So I also give the path in description, so you may copy and paste the repository path. Now another one is update. You need to update your Kali Linux time to time. So this one is the command to update your operating system. So this one is the command. Simply enter the command and hit enter. So it will ask some questions. If on the screen appear yes or no, carefully read the options and hit the positive option, yes or no, whatever you want. So this one is the most important command. And now other command is Tor. You need to install the Tor services. If you want anonymously surf the internet, so you must install the Tor services. So this one is the command to install the Tor services and then start the Tor services with the help of service Tor start command. So your Tor services is successfully installed. This is socket based Tor. It will working behalf of the socket. Now other option is how to disable the lock screen. So go to setting and then come to the privacy. Here, guys, screen lock is on. Disable it. Yes, disable the lock screen, and after that come to power option. Here click on never and automatically suspend disable also. So this is the top 5 tricks you should do in the Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.